Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be safe and fine, and I am reading or teaching of topic new chapter or new topic. So chemistry new topic, oxidation and reduction. How to know which compound oxidize and how to compounds reduced. So we discussed about topic of oxidation and reduction, and all process are generally known as oxidation and reduction reactions are generally called redox reactions. So we discuss today oxidation and reduction reactions. For example, let us study about the oxidation and reductions. First of all, we discuss of practical method. First of all, we take one China dish. This is this pot name China dish. This pot name China dish, and we take in China dish copper. Take copper and we next take a iron gauze. This is iron gauze. This is iron gauze, and we take one tripod stand. We take tripod stand. This instrument name or apparatus name tripod stand, and heating condition are for copper heat. We take one burner. This apparatus name burner. Yes. So copper is heated in China dish, but its color is change. Its color is like a brown or black. Its color is like brown or black, but black or color change it. But why? Because it is oxidized with oxygen. So these reactions, copper and oxygen oxygen, copper oxidized with oxygen to form copper oxide. To form copper oxide. So oxidized, and we discussed about copper oxide to heating in others method and others practical theory. So copper oxide we erase of this figure, and then after we proceed forward. We proceed forward. And we study about the oxidation. Oxidation and reduction. We study today oxidation and reduction. So first reactions, copper and oxygen react to form copper oxide. Copper oxide. And second reaction, copper oxide react with hydrogen to form copper and H2O. So its other name cupric oxide. Cupric oxide. And hydrogen, its name hydrogen. Its name oxygen and copper. So we obtain in product form copper and water. Its formula water, hydrogen, and this process is reverse reactions. This process is reverse reactions. Reverse reactions. This process is reverse reactions, and we study in one reaction how to any reactant are oxidation and reductions. So we study of these reactions and find out oxidation and reductions. Oxidation, and this process is reduction. This hydrogen obtain oxygen. This process known as oxidation, and cupric oxide loses oxygen, and to obtain copper, this process is known as reduction. So its definitions to define by these reactions: if any substance obtain oxygen, and this process is known as oxidized. And if any substance loss of oxygen, and this process is called reduced reactions. And any reactions, oxidation and reductions, both reactions are proceed if any reactions, oxidation and reductions both are proceed in same reactions, that is called oxidation and reduction reactions. That is called oxidation and reduction reactions, or in other words we called redox reactions. Redox reactions. So we see others example. Other example, we see other example. First, zinc oxide to react with carbon, its name zinc oxide and its name carbon, to loss of oxygen, so obtain zinc and carbon monoxide, zinc and carbon monoxide, this is gas condition. So other examples, we see other examples. Manganese dioxide, MnCl2, manganese dichloride H2O plus Cl2, its name manganese dioxide and its name hydrochloric acid and its name manganese chloride, water and its name chlorine. We study that its reaction is balanced or not, so we balance it and check it. Chlorine 2 and 2, so chlorine 4 and S2 is 4, so in product side, this is product side, this is reactant side, reactant and product, left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side manganese 1, right hand side manganese 1 and oxygen 2, left hand side right hand side oxygen 2, hydrogen 4 left hand side and right hand side hydrogen 4, 2 equal 2 and chlorine 2, so right hand side 2 and 2, 4. So we check it, reaction is balanced, so reaction is completely, and oxidation and reaction are generally completed. So I hope that oxidation and reactions you all understanding and feeling, considering and minding. So we study of others topic such as corrosion. We study of others topic corrosion. Corrosion. Other topic corrosion. What is corrosion? Let us consider what is corrosion. We find one part of iron. We take one part of iron. That part is bright, but in some days or sometimes its color is brown. Its color is brown. And its color is brown, but why? You imagine its color is brown, you imagine. So its color is brown. Its color brown is imagine thinking and considering its color are obtained or creating by which compound or which regions. So we study in life corrosion. Corrosion is a chemical process. Corrosion is a chemical process, and it's a very dangerous problem of our country, because corrosions are damage of bridge, cars, and all part of iron substances such as rooms, house, etc. So corrosions preventing of the painting condition. Painting condition. We paint of any part of iron, so no contact of air or any others gases, acid, base, so not corrosion. If any part of iron, its part is light, but in new condition, but react with air or gases to its weight is high. So chemical reactions of corrosion, iron part increase weight, increase, and it is a very dangerous problem of country or any iron company or iron businessman. So I hope that you of all understand of this corrosion condition and its corrosion condition or region first region air, water, acid, base, acid, air, water, acid, base and others gases to cross the all iron parts, but we study about the such others metal apparatus such as copper and silver and aluminium. Its color is brownish, grayish, green color. It is because copper and aluminium are covered with air or oxidized with air, with oxygen, and oxidized film are covered, so its color is damaged. So we study of next topic, rancidity. Next topic we study rancidity. Next topic, rancidity. Rancidity is big problem of food particles or food stuffs. If you look at the food stuffs such as chips made by any grains and it is not tested or its color is changed in some month after, because it is oxidized with air. It is oxidized with air, and we see in the chips fluffs bags. Chips is little but bags is big, because it is full of nitrogen gas, and chips is little parts, because nitrogen gas is not oxidized with air or chips, so it is prevent of oxidizing condition. So I hope that rancidity you understand by me, and I hope that you will be considering and imagining of all food stuffs and materials and getting or obtaining in eating condition to check the expiry date. So I hope that we see in next topic.